Take honor and privilege to introduce our guest speaker for today. A remarkable educator, a passionate mentor, and a woman whose life reflects dedication, perseverance, and excellence. Our guest speaker, Mrs. Darlene Juana Peralta Piday, hails from Poblacion East, Biligan, Abu. She is the beloved daughter of Mr. Diosdado A. Peralta and Mrs. Mary Ann Peralta, and a middle child as well as the only daughter in the family. She is happily married to Patrolman C.V. Jumel Piday, and together they are blessed with two wonderful children, Yuxa Irish Driel and Darius Jacob. Mrs. Piday's academic journey is a testament to her determination and love for learning. From her early years in Sacred Heart Academy to her elementary and secondary education, where she earned recognition as Performing Arts Awardee, she has consistently shown excellence. She pursued Bachelor of Science in Accountancy before ultimately following her true calling in education, earning her Bachelor of Elementary Education in 2016, along with units in preschool education. She further advanced her expertise by completing her Master of Arts in Education at St. Mary's College. In her professional career, Mrs. Piday has actively engaged in numerous trainings at the division, regional, and national levels. She has contributed significantly as a writer and evaluator of the kindergarten guidebook and modules at the national level, and is also an accredited coach in that sport. Currently, she serves as the ICT coordinator at Casilagan Elementary School, where she continues to inspire both colleagues and learners. Her dedication has not gone unnoticed, as she has been recognized as a program initiator, ICT expert, and a dedicated kindergarten teacher. With more than 6 years in the teaching profession, she exemplifies professionalism, integrity, compassion, and unwavering commitment to shaping young minds. Indeed, Mrs. Piday is a living proof that teaching is not just a profession, but a vocation. One that nurtures hearts, builds dreams, and transforms lives. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all give a warm and heartfelt welcome to our guest speaker, Mrs. Darlene Juana Peralta Piday.